Babies younger than 1 year of age who have whooping cough may be hospitalized or even die.
That's crazy, man.
There it is.
Babies younger than 1 year can get whooping cough. They might be hospitalized or even die. I mean, that. If my baby died of whooping cough, bro.
Somebody's getting whooped.
Somebody's getting... Bro, I didn't get it. It's just an absolute moral and scientific, a cultural failure in every possible way. These people are so privileged. Makes me want to spit. It's disgusting.
Don't spit. It might get him sick.